NordVPN discount code. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can get yourself NordVPN at a very low rate. So coming on to NordVPN.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. Now from over here, you guys can basically see that NordVPN is the world's leading VPN service. It can block malware, trackers, ads, and so much more stuff. It can also give you unrestricted access to the internet, and you guys can also protect your passwords and files using NordVPN as well. It has been featured on Wired, HuffPost, BuzzFeed, Forbes, TEDx, BBC, and many more websites as well. You can also protect all of your devices, enjoy a fast and stable connection anywhere, and you guys can basically see also all the YouTubers that have endorsed NordVPN, and you guys can definitely get started with NordVPN by just simply using our link in the description below to get yourself an exclusive discount on NordVPN's membership. Now coming on to their pricing, let's take a look at what their pricing is. So on their pricing panel, you guys can basically see that you guys are going to get their best plan for $5 per month. If you guys were to pay for 2 years together, then of course you guys have their monthly plans. Right now their best plan is going to cost you $14.19 per month, but of course if you guys were to go with cheaper packages, you might save $1 or $2. But if you guys were to check out our link in the description below, you guys can shave off a few more dollars as well additionally. So like that can reduce the price of NordVPN to about $9 per month for their standard plan, and of course minus $2 for all the plans above. So like that can really save you more money, and you guys can enjoy all the features of NordVPN. Coming on to their features panel, from over here we can basically see all the features that they give you. They give you meshnet, they give you threat protection, they give you a dark web monitor, they give you a dedicated IP, they also give you a strict no logs policy, and of course you guys also have the option for multiple devices and a multi-factor authentication option as well. So all in all, the options are there, and you can definitely get started with NordVPN. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.